If you're looking for a small portable whiteboard that you can use in a multitude of ways, then you'll love this whiteboard by Peppermint Cafe. The whiteboard comes with 3 dry erase pens in different colours, some colourful magnets, and a whiteboard eraser. The build is of great quality with these strong hinges on the side, which means that when you open the whiteboard up, it can stand up on its own without the need to lean it on any other surface. You can draw and use the magnets on both sides of the whiteboard at the same time, and the whiteboard doesn't have that annoying wobble that some of the cheaper brands might have. The design of this whiteboard with the plastic protection on each of the corners means it's even safer for younger children to use. Just fold out the whiteboard for them or keep it flat so that your child can have fun with their drawing. It's also great to teach your older children new subjects for their formal or home education. The surface can be reused over and over and over again, and it also means that you're helping the environment by saving on paper. This whiteboard is double-sided, which means that you can put it in between 2 work surfaces, such as adjoining work desks, and work on it at the same time, or you can carry it to your business meetings using the extra carry handle at the top. Or for the lighter side of life, why not take it on holiday with you and your family to enjoy games like Pictionary, Noughts and Crosses, or Battleships. The 12 by 16 size means it's small and portable enough to fold up and put it in the boot of your car for your day trips or your camping trips, and it's even small enough to be able to fit in some suitcases for those long haul flights. And for the older or hard of hearing relatives, this small portable whiteboard is easy enough to carry around to give you that extra hand with communication. As you can see from our reviews, the Peppermint Cafe whiteboard has helped so many people with their daily lives already, and I'm sure it's going to help you with your daily life too.